Are you still running your healthcare business like it was 2007? Hi, my name is Christine Crow, and if you've been where I've been, where you've been a multiple seven-figure business, healthcare business owner, and you were doing things the difficult way, and what I mean by that is spreadsheets. Are you still relying on spreadsheets? Are you still relying on email threads? Are you still relying on, color coded spreadsheets? And are you still relying on calendars to remind you about what you need to do in your healthcare business? Think about having AI agents as your back office team. Things that your back office team would usually do in your business is what these AI agents can actually do and really just set you free. To set you free so that you're able to run the business that you've always wanted to do and to grow your business the way you've always wanted it to be, to get your time back, to enjoy your time freedom. Well, if this is you, I would love for you to book a free demo and I will discuss with you the 17 plus AI agents that I've created. And it's taken me a year to create this, but yet I've created this because I know this is what businesses need, whether you're a healthcare business or whether you're another type of business. AI agents really is for you. So there's a link here for you to book and for you to schedule your free demo with me, 30 minutes, and I'll do an AI audit of your organization as well as show you the AI agents that we have. So book your free demo today and join me live on a call, or we'll be on Zoom. It is up to you. So click the link here. I want to really share with you how you can save 40% minimum in your business. One client has saved 200,000 this year alone by using AI agents, and I want you to be able to have the same results. So let's make life easier for ourselves. Just because we're in healthcare doesn't mean to say it has to be strenuous. Let's make it enjoyable now. Let's have AI prioritize things, make it low, medium, high escalation, for example, for you to be able to function in the way that you're meant to do, and that is to prioritize things in your business. So click the link. The link is here, and join me for the free 30-minute session online with me via Zoom, for example, and I'll show you, give you a free demo of what our AI tools can do for you. Join me today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.